Hi, my friends. I'm Leka, and today we're going to do a guided reading here for you to help you improve your listening skills in Portuguese. Give me a thumbs up if this content is interesting to you, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you are new here or if you haven't yet. So let's start. Okay, so first I will read this text here in a normal speed. Actually, I will read twice in a normal speed, and then afterwards I'm going to be making notes, okay, with this. So let's get started. First reading. Atualmente, os casos de dengue têm aumentado drasticamente no Brasil. A melhor solução é a prevenção. Precisa evitar a qualquer custo o acúmulo de água parada em todos e quaisquer superfícies. A época do ano que mais ocorrem os casos é na época do verão. O calor e as chuvas facilitam a proliferação do mosquito transmissor da dengue, o Aedes aegypti. Again. Atualmente, os casos de dengue têm aumentado drasticamente no Brasil. A melhor solução é a prevenção. Precisa evitar a qualquer custo o acúmulo de água parada em todos e quaisquer superfícies. A época do ano que mais ocorrem os casos é na época de verão. O calor e as chuvas facilitam a proliferação do mosquito transmissor da dengue, o Aedes aegypti. All right, everybody, now we are going to read again together, and I'm going to be making some notes so you understand some link words, you understand some pronunciation and vocabulary and everything else that you need to know. Let's do it. So, atualmente is an interesting word because a lot of people in Brazil, they misunderstand this word with actually. And they are not related. They are actually not the same. Actually means na verdade. Have you guys ever heard some Brazilians saying actually and they were saying it wrong? So it's because it's a false cognate. So you guys, this word here means currently. Currently. Atualmente is not actually. It's currently. Atualmente os casos. So you link the vowel E with the vowel O that has a U sound, us. It's not wrong to say os, but it has the U sound, us. Casos, the U sound again, casos. And atualmente os casos. Atualmente os casos is like this is only one word. You read them together. Atualmente os casos de reduction vowel sound. De. The E has that E sound. De dengue. De dengue. So actually, no, sorry. Actually, false cognate. Currently, the cases of, the significance of dengue. Dengue is a disease, right? It's very common in Brazil. Terrible, but it is. Tem aumentado. It has. Dengue has. It has. Aumentado. Increased. Drastically. It's similar to English. Drasticamente. Remember, every time that ends in E, has this E sound, drasticamente. Okay, don't forget. No, ending in O has a U sound. No Brasil, even the letter L. So the consonant L has the U sound as well when it comes at the end. It's not Brazil. We don't have this L, Spanish L sound. Brazil, no. We say Brasil, Brasil, Brasil. There's a U sound. So currently, the cases of dengue has increased drastically in Brazil. In means em, but Brazil is a masculine noun and it gets O, so em plus O, no. No Brasil. A melhor solução, the best solution. A melhor solução Okay, look at this accent here. You make an open vowel sound for this accent. So it is like it's not e, it's not e, it's open your mouth and say a. And then you're gonna link this to prevenção, nasal sound. When you have this accent, it's because it's an indication that you have a nasal sound in Portuguese. Put your 2 fingers on your nose to sound like this. And you can practice on the own pronunciations. You know, when you have the flu, that's the best time to speak Portuguese because you're being nasal to every word you say. So, prevenção, 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 prevenção. Ok? Prevention, prevenção. Precisa evitar. This S has a Z sound. Z, zazu. Precisa, precisa. Evitara. Link the R with the A. It's like one word. Evitara, evitara. Evitar a qualquer custo. Qualquer. 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 Custo. And the nu. And it's followed by another vowel with O. Custo, o acúmulo de água. Água, but you pronounce this fast, so it becomes água. Água. Água becomes água. Parada, parada, clear this sound, parada. Em todos, okay, look here again, todos. E quaisquer, quaisquer. You can do your American R here. Care, quaisquer. Superfícies, superfícies. You can kind of skip this E when you pronounce and say superfícies. Superfícies, sounding only like an E. Okay, so precisa evitar a it needs to avoid. Evitar is avoid. Evitará qualquer custo, at any cost. Qualquer custo, any cost. The accumulation of water, água é water. Daí é still water, né? Parada. So it's that water that stay there forever in every place, everywhere. E quaisquer superfícies, and any superfícies, okay? So, any place, really. A época do ano que mais ocorrem os casos, the época, time of the year that the most occur the cases. A época do ano que, ou que, with that E sound. A época do ano que mais ocorrem. Why I don't say ocorrem? Because it's not ending in E. There's an M at the end. So you just make that E sound if it's only the E at the end. If there's another consonant, don't do it. So it's ocorrem. Os casos. É na época de verão. Ok, de verão. Verão, it's o verão. Why o verão? Because it is masculine. So here we say do verão. Ok? Na época do verão. Or has a U pronunciation sound, right? So, é na época do verão. O calor e as chuvas, the temperature, like the hot temperature and the rain, facilitam, make it easier, the proliferation do mosquito. of the fly that is the carrier of dengue, of the disease dengue, huh? So, transmissor da dengue. O Aedes, remember the E sound? Aedes. If there's an S at the end, it's okay, you pronounce the E with the E sound. Aedes aegypti. It ends with E already, so it already indicates you that has the E sound. Aedes aegypti. Okay, let's read twice again together and let me know how much this translation and this guidance through the reading helped you to understand better the second 2 times I read these texts, okay? I mean, not the second 2 times, the last 2 times I read this text. Let's go. Starting now. And action. Atualmente, os casos de dengue têm aumentado drasticamente no Brasil. A melhor solução é a prevenção. Precisa evitar a qualquer custo o acúmulo de água parada em todos e quaisquer superfícies. A época do ano que mais ocorrem os casos é na época do verão. O calor e as chuvas facilitam a proliferação do mosquito transmissor da dengue, o Aedes aegypti. Okay, the second time we're gonna read this together. Let's go! Atualmente, os casos de dengue têm aumentado drasticamente no Brasil. A melhor solução é a prevenção. Precisa evitar a qualquer custo o acúmulo de água parada em todos e quaisquer superfícies. A época do ano que mais ocorrem os casos é na época do verão. O calor e as chuvas facilitam a proliferação do mosquito transmissor da dengue, o Aedes aegypti.